Hey guys, so today we're back and I'm gonna be opening slimes and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing this one, the Lasty Plasty, that use silence. It's so hard to open. Comment down below if you make slime before. Oh, I think it has, Mom, I think it has tape right here. I need scissors. Can you hand me the scissors?
It's a big bucket of slime we bought Angel last week.
If you watched that video, comment down below.
There's some other slime.
And now I got that out. Oh, I'm so excited to open the last plastic. Oh, it comes in this big container. I'm gonna take off my hood so I don't get it ruined. Ugh. This is my other thing. Okay, let me open it. Look, it has like a little peanut butter jar. Wait, let me open it. Before I open the slime, I'm gonna go get a straw so like we can blow through it. I got a straw. There's my straw, and then
So this is the one she's doing right now.
it's the Lasty Plasty one.
And what does it feel like?
It feels like actually like a real slime. It's like big. It's a big slime though. That's what it is. Alright, that's what this slime was. Doesn't smell like it. It smells like garlic.
Garlic?
Now next thing.
What
Okay,
is
this
it?
is a creation pack. Clear clay. Clear slime. Soft clay. Great slime mixer. Mold shaped boulder. Okay, let me open this. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one first. Okay, it already opens somehow. Gee, what? So confusing. Look at that. It's clear. Let me try to make a bubble with it. That's a good slime. Rate this slime. Rate every slime, even that one. Rate every slime how you think they are. Okay, so on to the next one. Which one else? Okay, now, which one should I open next?
What is
I'm
that?
gonna open this blue one. Blue, like sky.
Blue.
This is like an orangey color. Think I really like it.
Mhm.
Okay. Oh. Well, this feels like clay, kind of. Like a clay slime, kind of. Well, this one's really. This one and that one have a different texture. This one's like more soft. Feel it, Mom. And they have a different texture, right?
Yeah, this is
This one's like
gummy,
hard.
like,
Kind of like gummyish.
and this one's more of a slime.
And it can stretch really far. Yeah,
Way
that one's
more of a
more.
slime.
This is like a clay slime.
See, I can't even like do that. Like squish that
I
other
know.
one.
I'm gonna
Let me
put this
see.
one down.
See, it doesn't do that. It's like a wax.
Now I'm gonna do this pink
This
slime.
is crazy. It's like wax.
I know. Now I'm gonna do this pink slime. Let's put that one down.
So maybe that's the molding part of it. You mix these together, different ones.
But I'm not gonna do that. What? Oh, here there.
That clear one's really cool too. That's my favorite, I think.
Yeah, that one's my second favorite.
Well, I definitely like the pink
Yeah,
one.
that one's my first actually.
Is it a slime?
I have 3 favorites. That one, that one, and that one.
Comment down below which one is going to be your favorite.
Yep.
We
This-
still have some more though.
Hashtag pinky slime. Hashtag orange slime. Hashtag sky high. Hashtag strawberries are awesome. Hashtag the sky is blue. And hashtag clear bear. Wait, no. Clear here. No. How about clear snow. That's for clear snow. Okay, what about the next one? I'm gonna do this blue kinetic sand.
Well, you gotta make sure you have a bowl or something to put it in.
No, it's kinetic.
It's still sand. It's gonna go all over, Angel.
It stays together like this. Watch.
Oh my goodness.
That's why they call it kinetic
Oh
sand.
wow, that really surprised me. I thought it was gonna be like sand.
It is sand.
You feel this. Oh my gosh, it's so light. This feels so foamy and light. It's crazy.
That's a surprise. Total surprise.
It's awesome.
It looks like
I like it.
chunky. It's like chunky slime.
And
I
this
love
was
it.
Sky High, or what was this one?
Sky high.
Oh, what was the other blue one then?
That one was the sky is blue.
The sky is blue. Okay.
I'm gonna try to cut it. See the reaction.
This is
satisfying.
so sticky. It's like
That
wax.
is so satisfying when you cut it. This could be a satisfying video. Like foamy slime.
That is really cool
I know,
feeling.
This might probably, if you could feel it right now, and this is at Target if you wanted to get it in Longview, Washington. So, if you want to get it, you can just come over here and get the blue slime. It's in the toy aisle. Once they run out, though. I really like this. My favorite is probably this one because it's like so foamy.
I want to feel the pink one.
Yeah, let's try the pink one now. Is it going to be like that one? It looks different, though.
Yeah, pink one.
It looks different.
That one feels amazing. Orange. And this one's like a wax ball.
I wonder how this one's going to feel. It feels just like that one. A pink
this one is kinetic sand. And
no,
it's pink.
It's still that one. Feel it. It's like the other one. And more bubbles.
Oh, wow. Feels so great. Yeah, this one's a little more,
like puppy?
something.
Puppy. Has more bubbles.
It needs mixed better.
It does. It needs more activator, I think. See that? It has kinetic sand in it with slime. That's how it gets its texture. Okay, the last and final one. The clear slime. Let me wash off my hands. Okay. Let's do this clear slime. Whoa. This one's just like the blue one. It is, kind of. Whoa. If you want to get these slimes and see how they feel in real life, you can get them at, you know where. I already told you.
Is it wax?
No, it's like the blue one.
Soft clay. I think that's what it's called.
No. These ones are the soft clay. This one is the clear
clay?
slime.
But it's like wax, like this one. Yeah, this one's not my favorite. But I really like the color of that clear. I really was hoping it was slime.
But it's not that clear. It's not clear that much.
It's still like waxy.
I wonder how they make this slime. Don't you? Comment down below. Clear snow. Pink strawberry.
You already said some names, Angel. So this one is the new one.
Blue sky. Oh, wow. Pink. Wait. Pink is the best. Orange. Orange attitude. No, this one's the orange justice. Get it? Orange justice. And this one is snow. Rainy days are the best. So it's hashtag orange justice. Hashtag rainy days are the best. Hashtag clear snow. Hashtag pink strawberry. Hashtag pink is the best. Hashtag blue sky. Blue sky don't care.
Those are your final names?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't forget to
subscribe, hit the bell. That's how you get all my new videos. And make sure to keep your light on the video. And I just love you guys. You guys are my life. So thank you. Bye.